So in this video, I am going to review the Wikicountry assignment. And so this assignment begins in week 3, okay? And then there will be, this is part 1. Part 2 is going to be in week 5, and then part 3 will be in week 6. So this project is all about your selection of a country, and then you are going to review all of the social determinants of health for that country. Okay, and so I've clicked here into week 3 just to go over the resources for the project. So these are all of the resources. Week 3 reading and resources link is where you'll find this video, where you found it actually. And then there's documents here, the overview, which is one major part of the project. Resources for the data you're going to find. There's links here for you to use to find the data. How to write the overview, and then the synthesis is the second main part of the project. So I will go over each of these now. So I'm not going to click on these links, but instead I will bring over these documents into the video. So here is the document, the Wikicountry overview content. So as I said, you're going to be researching the determinants of health for your selected country. And in this document, you'll read through the brief directions here. There are different determinants: introduction to the country, culture, society, and so on. And under each section, there are bullet points. And this is the information that you are going to research for your country. Okay. And there will also be maps and graphs that you're going to share. And as you scroll down, there'll be sustainable development goals, snapshots. You'll learn more about that in week 2. And you just keep scrolling down. This includes all 3 parts of the project, all the requirements for the overview. Okay, so now we're back to here, the resources for Wikicountry data. So for all of those bullet points, you will be either clicking on any of these links. Shares various data from different international organizations. Our World in Data will be one of the main sites you're going to be accessing for all of the maps and graphs. Okay, you can certainly use data from other websites, but you will be going here for most of it. Okay, you will also be using this Sustainable Development Report, information on how to download it, and just keep scrolling down. Again, you're going to want to keep this document on your computer to access it because these are all hyperlinked. Okay, now, like I said, this will cover a lot of the data that you need, but you will also be putting in search terms into a blank web page to find your data. Okay. The next one is a document on how to write the overview. So this document just reviews the different expectations for how this section will be written, how to share snapshots, how to describe the snapshots of the SDGs, maps, graphs, and tables. These are some sample snapshots you can look through, talking about use of scholarly literature, what to do if you can't find maps or data. Important to look here, there's APA expectations and exceptions. And that is really what this document is about. And then the last document is how to write the synthesis. So this document, like I said, goes over the different components that are required in this section. And so you'll just read through it, all 4 steps, a couple of snapshots on how to explain some of the data in your narrative, how to write the narrative. Some examples right here. It's really a lot of the information in here is written a couple of times in different ways to try to help you understand the expectations. Some tips for success, what to do, what not to do. And again, a lot of information to help guide you into better understanding the expectations. Okay, so that is how to write the synthesis. And then you can just click on this link here. This is a PowerPoint that was written by our librarian. Okay. And then down here, you will submit your assignment at this link. Okay. And so read through the directions in this link and to learn how to submit your assignment. Okay. So that is a brief review of the resources available to you. And please remember, I am your resource as well. If you are struggling with anything, please be in touch. Don't spend too much time on one requirement. If you can't find the data or you're confused or you're feeling overwhelmed, just get in touch. That's what I'm here for, to help you enjoy the project and kind of help you simplify it if that is what you might need. Okay, so enjoy the project.